Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. All right, Wildcats, will you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the pledge to our Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. All right, Wildcats, you may now be seated. And it's now time for our Galena Park ISD safety statement. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected, at home, on the bus, and during the school day. If anyone at home, on the bus, or at school makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, tell someone. Tell a parent, your teacher, the counselor, the nurse, the coach, the principals, or any other trusted adult. We do not have any student birthdays today, but a big happy birthday to Miss Surya Hernandez. Now it's time for our character education theme. Fairness is the character education theme for the month of November. Sometimes, even if you try to be fair and compassionate, others are not. Actor and activist Alan Alda gives an idea of how to handle those people. Be fair with others, but then keep after them until they are fair with you. You still need to be fair even when others are not fair to you. We do have a couple of announcements for today. This is National School Psychology Week, so our school psychologist is Miss Easton. And if you see her, please wish her a happy National School Psychology Week. Also, you are still able to join our PTA. For those who have joined Brighter Bites, tomorrow is Brighter Bites. We are also starting our No Place for Hate here on the Woodland Acres Elementary campus, so please be on the lookout for further announcements about that. And Friday is our monthly mobile, so we cannot wait to see you. All right, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. I hope you choose to have a terrific Tuesday, and we cannot wait to see or hear from you.